Hey everyone, I'm just out pressure washing and thought I'd show you a video here of a modification I made to my Snap-on pressure washer. I purchased this at Menards here in the Midwest region, and it works pretty great except for one thing, and that's holding the nozzle up here at this mount. It's made just to slide in. And the problem is the thing just keeps popping out every time you move this around. There's nothing to hold the end down there, so what I did was I mounted an 1.5" PVC pipe to the other side. One screw in the metal handle, the other screw down in the plastic base. And now it'll hold this thing no problem. There we go. See, it works good. Alright, thanks for watching.